Managing big call influxes is more than just picking up the phone. You will also need an easy way to review messages when your line is busy. So, we've simplified voicemails by introducing a single voicemail tab on the web dialer with searchable lists, playable audio, transcriptions, and one-click follow-ups. Let's check how to use it. Start by clicking the phone icon to open the dialer. Switch to the voicemail tab using the options at the bottom. Use the search bar or switch the selected user to find your desired voicemail. Once you do, click the play button to listen to it. Or use one of the quick actions at the top right corner to call, text, or view a transcript of the message. This update makes finding voicemails intuitive, providing a direct path that retains user separation with divided tabs for voicemails and helps you respond thanks to the rich information cards that display your message. There you have it. Now you can easily reconnect with customers, respond quickly after hearing their voicemail, without manually searching for contact interactions for hours. We hope you enjoy it.